Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about AutoGen framework. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to implement function call behavior in AutoGen framework. Function call behavior, the concept remains same what we've seen in Azure OpenAI, Microsoft Semantic Kernel application. The concept remains same, but the way of implementation is completely different compared to Azure OpenAI and Microsoft Semantic Kernel application. Let's start how to implement this feature in AutoGen framework. Here I have created one class called the currency converter function call. This class contains one function equal to INR. So this function return the conversion value from euro to INR, and the function return value is a string. And make sure you have to install the NuGet package called AutoGen.sourceGenerator. So this source generator package is used to convert our class to the supporting AutoGen function call class. I'll show that one later. So go back to our program.cs file, and here you have to add the tag called function. The next step, this class you have to change as a partial class. Save this one. Next step, just build the project. Go to here and build this project. Build completed, and go to the solution again and expand this dependency analyzer and AutoGen source generator. Here inside you can see the currency converter function call .generator.cs file. So our class called the currency converter function call, and based on that some file has been generated. If you click this one, based on our function, the wrapper class has been generated. So here you can see the euro to INR. Go to here, you can see the euro to INR wrapper, and this function return the JSON because the LLM model required the JSON. So this function do for us. So we no need to write the JSON class to convert our function into the JSON format, and this JSON format pass to the LLM. So we no need to worry about this one. This automatically taken care by this wrapper class. And this is a complete LLM format, the JSON format again here. So here we define the what is the namespace, class name, description, all the information available. So we have to use this wrapper function to implement our LLM concept. We move to our program.cs file to implement the function call in AutoGen framework. Create the object for our currency converter function call. So where I called as a function instance equal to new of currency converter function call. There are three different ways we can call the function call in AutoGen. The first way, I'm going to use the middleware function call middleware to implement the concept. In upcoming videos we talk about other two ways how to implement this feature. In our last video we talk about the middleware concept. So in this video I'm going to focus on the function call middleware concept. Implement the function call middleware. Again we have to create the another object for our function call middleware. So this is function call middleware, variable name, and new of function call middleware. So this middleware I'm going to use. The first step, we have to pass the contract information. So this is a I enumerable, so we have to pass our all the contract. The contract sense here is a function name, not the class name. So if you go to the generated class, here you can see this contract. So this contract we have to pass. So here we are going to pass all our contract function name here. So the functions new contract function instance dot the contract euro to INR function contract. The next step, we have to map the function. So what is our contract name, and based on the contract which function should call, so that we have to map it. So the function map new of, this is a dictionary here, dictionary, and here we have to pass the key and mapping name. So the name is function instant dot 0 to INR function contract dot name. So this is my key. Based on that, call the function instance dot 0 to INR wrapper. That's it. That's it. So the contract name available here, the function contract dot name. So this we have to use it, that we passed as a name, and the wrapper class this one. So based on that one, this function get invoked. So this information we pass it here. Once it's done, our function middleware is ready. This middleware we have to pass to the our agent. So here agent, assistant agent, assistant agent, new equal to new of assistant agent. The first argument we have to pass the agent name. Agent name is the currency agent, and the system message, it's not required, just go with the default, and we have to pass the config. So LLM config. So this is the agent config here. Once it's done, we have to register our middleware. Register middleware. Our middleware name is function call middleware. So this one is a function call middleware. That's it. Next, we have to pass our prompt to this agent. So where reply equal to await assistant agent dot send async. So here we pass our information like convert 2 to INR. That's it. Console.writeline reply. That's it. We just quickly walk through what we done so far. Here I have created one simple class called currency converter function call, and this class contains one function 0 to INR. And meantime, you make sure you have to install the package AutoGen.source generator. This package used as to convert our class to the wrapper class. So the wrapper class used to convert our function into the JSON format. So once it's done, there are three ways we can implement the function call behavior in AutoGen. Here I used one way is the function call middleware concept. So here first argument you have to specify the what are the function call available for your LLM, that you have to specify here. For in this sample there is only one contract available, that is a 0 to INR function contract, and the function map, you have to map your contract name with which function should call. So that information you have to specify here, key and the value. Once it's done, I use this assistant agent and I reset the middleware, function called middleware here. After that I send the information to the agent, then agent communicate to the function call and get the response. I put the breakpoint line number 62 here and we run the application and see the output. Started, and this function get invoked, our function call amount 2, that's fine. Continue, and here we get the final output. Tool call message, that means function call message. Currency converter use this feature and it's calling the function 0 to INR and pass the argument amount to 2. After that, function call get invoked and it return the result to the agent, currency agent, and the return value is 2 euros 160 based on our implementation. And one more key point here is the function call return is a string in AutoGen framework.